Sayyid Dynasty. The Sayyid Dynasty was a medieval Muslim dynasty that ruled the Delhi Sultanate in the northern parts of the Indian subcontinent from 1414 to 1451. It succeeded the Tughlaq dynasty and played a transitional role between the declining Delhi Sultanate and the arrival of the Mughal Empire. Sayyids were of Arab descent and traced their lineage back to Prophet Muhammad. They were known as Sayyids, which denotes their esteemed status as descendants of the Prophet. The founder of the Sayyid dynasty was Khizr Khan, who was appointed as the governor of Multan by the last Tughlaq Sultan, Nasir Mahmud. Khizr Khan seized power in Delhi in 1414 and established the Sayyid dynasty. During the Sayyid dynasty's rule, the Delhi Sultanate faced significant challenges. The empire had already been weakened by internal conflicts, regional fragmentation, and external invasions. Sayyid rulers struggled to assert their authority and faced frequent rebellions and revolts from powerful regional governors and nobles. The Sayyid dynasty was also confronted by the Timurid invasions. 1398, the Turco-Mongol conqueror Timur, Tamerlane, invaded the subcontinent and sacked Delhi, causing widespread destruction and loss of life. Although the Sayyid rulers were able to retain some degree of control, their power and influence were greatly diminished by Timurid incursions. The Sayyid rulers made efforts to stabilize the empire and restore some semblance of order. They attempted to centralize the administration, maintain law and order, and undertake infrastructure projects. However, their authority remained limited, and their control was largely restricted to the area around Delhi. Sayyid dynasty eventually came to an end with the rise of the Lodi dynasty. Bahlul Lodi, the founder of the Lodi dynasty, overthrew the last Sayyid ruler, Alauddin Alam Shah, in 1451 and established himself as the Sultan of Delhi. While the Sayyid dynasty's rule was relatively short and marked by political instability and external challenges, it served as a transitional phase between the declining Delhi Sultanate and the subsequent establishment of the powerful Mughal Empire in the 16th century under Babur.